Wow. So I'm walking down, I see the sign says Woodpecker. I thought, Woodpecker? What kind of a name is that for a dental company? And who's here but Carlos Ramos, my friend.
Oh, nice to meet you again.
How are you, Carlos?
Nice to see you again.
Yeah,
I'm very good. IDS is crazy, busy.
yeah.
As you can see at the booth, everybody, and especially Endo. A lot of interest on Endo.
I saw you giving a demonstration earlier to some people from
Yeah.
Romania and from Poland, and this is great
Now,
stuff.
the matter of the fact is that education is there's always a place for education everywhere, right? So we are doing some demos on the devices and trying to give a little bit of the science perspective on them.
Yeah, that's great. And I see a big microscope right behind us over here.
This is the new microscope from KP, right?
Yeah.
So things are getting better, and better by the technology is advancing each minute. Honestly, is amazing how they can incorporate new things on these microscopes. For example, now you have at the binocular you have display of the apex locator there.
Oh boy!
It's
Oh!
It's
So
amazing.
it's all
So
digital too.
yeah, so you don't have even to remove your eyes from the binoculars. You can see the apex locator display right there,
Oh,
going
right.
back and forth, and your motor as well. The speed, the angles, everything is in there. So you can control everything
Oh, you
from
know,
your
it's like some
microscope.
of the cars. They have a little
The
heads-up
dash.
display.
Yes,
Yeah. Oh,
that
that's
is exactly the same technology. So those technologies are being incorporated more and more and more.
well, that's very good. And this company, Woodpecker, they're very innovative, aren't they?
Woodpecker is an amazing company. I love to work with them. I am director of clinical research, and they are very open people for new concepts, new products, right? Innovation is their mark. They don't want only to follow the trend, but they want to come and create something innovative that will help. Honestly, will help the dental community.
Well, that's a little word for wise here. So let's go, take a hard look at Woodpecker Company. It's just we don't have enough time to go through all the products that they have over here. So look online. And Carlos, always a pleasure.
Always a pleasure, Paul. Thank you very much.